What's up, y'all? This is Hussein Nasser from iGeometry Podcast, and welcome to today's podcast, everybody. Today's topic is I don't actually have a topic about this, but I want to discuss something here, right? Didn't actually title it per se. Like, I'm gonna give you an example here where user experience and designing the user interface can really save you a lot of time when architecting the back-end REST endpoints or the services, right? Or the middle tier, right? Even the database level. So let's take this example, right? Let's say you're designing some sort of a brick and mortar or Amazon, right? You want to design an application or a website that people can purchase stuff online on your website, right? Yeah. So if you started like most engineers, right? I would start this way, by the way. I would start from okay, there's items, right? There's stuff, products, people buying. So there's a product resource, quote unquote resource at the back end. So that's cool. So slash product slash ad. I would definitely do an ad, right? Add product. That's a post, right? I would definitely get a get product, retrieve a product details, right? And yeah, that's about it, I think. So add and view product. So that's retrieving a product information. Or maybe search, right? Definitely search. Yeah, search product by, I don't know, title, something like that. GraphQL will work beautifully here. But yeah, so you would do all that stuff. Like you would design that. So add, there's view, and there's search. Now you start building your user interface. And the first thing you will notice that is broken is people do not buy one thing at a time, right? They usually add a lot of stuff to the cart, and then they check out. So you're kind of purchasing multiple items here, right? So if you have a REST endpoint called add, when I say add is actually purchase, I mean purchase product, you will have to loop in the client. On the client, you have to loop and call the REST endpoint multiple times, right? So you'll have to call add item, add item, add item, add item. If you buy 25 items, that's 25 REST endpoint calls, dude. Yeah, that's not a very cool user experience. User will feel it. You know, there will be a lot of delay. You know? So the other way to do it is, we have about 1 minute. So another way to do it is to actually design user interface, and you know that, oh, I'm gonna add multiple items. I better have a REST endpoint that takes multiple array of products, and then that persisted to the database. See what I did there? So designing the user experience can actually simplify the architecture at the back end. It's like the more I think about it, the more I am convinced. I mean, you guys must. So I don't know if you listened to one of my podcasts. I did discuss it. Should we design the user experience first, the user interface, or the architecture or the REST endpoint first? And I was like in the middle between the two, really. But now I'm really leaning toward designing the user interface first, at least knowing what's the requirement, and then designing the backend. That saves a lot of time. What do you guys think? Right? Just shoot me an email, tweet at me, HNASR, HNASR, or yeah. Gonna see you in the next one, guys.